Hello everyone and welcome along to this unboxing of the Samsung N950 soundbar. So just released from Samsung, it comes with 17 built-in speakers, 7.1.4 channel Dolby Atmos, it comes with built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and HDMI, and of course it's compatible with Samsung SmartThings. Now you all probably know all of the specs already, so I'm not going to go into too much detail on the specs, but let's just get into the unboxing. So, usual paraphernalia we have. So on top of the box is the actual soundbar itself, by the looks of things. Oh, quite heavy. Let's have a quick look and see what's inside. So here we go, here's the top of the soundbar. Controls along the top, which are actually to the top rear of the soundbar. Let's flip it over and see what we get. The rear of the soundbar, not a lot on there. But the underneath of the soundbar, where we have two HDMI ins and one HDMI out, and obviously the optical in as well. Along here we've got the service port for servicing, and then the two buttons to connect to your subwoofers and the network, and then to the far left over there, the power. Front of the soundbar, pretty much a plain grille. There is a digital display at this end, which we'll see when we power up a little bit later. Let's see what else is in the box. Okay, let's have a look. So two really big holes either end, but hey ho. And we have what I'm hoping will be the pack with the power supplies. Let's have a quick look. So manual, no one reads that. Two power supplies, obviously UK, because I'm based in the UK. Over here we have what feels to be a wall mounting bracket for the soundbar, which they are, which is very good. So a few soundbars nowadays you don't actually get wall mounting brackets, so but I suppose for the price you will. Batteries, and then obviously the remote. Okay, let's carry on looking. So I imagine this is the sound woofer, and I've just quickly cut the packaging to make life a little bit easier. Let's turn it on its side and see what's inside. So in the bag we have the magical sound woofer. Here's the rear of the sound woofer, power, and then your Wi-Fi syncing button, and obviously the bass speaker to the side. I don't think this actually comes off, nope. And then the logo at the front. So quite straightforward, nicely finished in a matte black, which is nice. And then, hopefully within this box, we have the rear speakers. Hopefully without dropping them, let's have a look. I'll say very well packaged. So again, two power cords for the rear speakers, again in UK. Let's just have a look at one of the rear speakers. So size-wise, the rear speakers, they're quite a decent size. Not too big, not too large, which is nice. Nice to have at the rear behind your sofa. And inside, obviously at the bottom, is the power. And then again, a Wi-Fi syncing button and a couple of LEDs there. So decent size. Looks to be one speaker there, one speaker to the top. Nice. So there you have it, the Samsung HW-N950 soundbar. Now what I'm going to do is get it connected up, and then I will post another video of actually operating, so you can actually get to see the soundbar in operation and actually get to hear it as well. So don't forget to subscribe, and then you'll be notified when the video comes online.